Good morning, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching News Flash. The ICC has asked the PCB to cancel its Champions Trophy tour to POJK regions following objections from the BCCI. PCB had planned a trophy tour in Skardu, Hunza, Murree and Muzaffarabad. Iran plans hijab removal treatment clinics offering psychological and social support for women defying mandatory hijab laws. Officials claim these clinics aim to address identity concerns among women, especially teens. A panel led by Justice S. N. Dhingra reported systemic bias and discrimination against non-Muslim students and faculty at Jamia Millia Islamia University, citing testimonies of pervasive discrimination. Bombay High Court ruled that sexual relations with a wife under 18 constitutes rape regardless of consent in a case under the POCSO Act. Indian students protested outside Oxford Union against a debate on Jammu Kashmir independence, criticizing the inclusion of JKLF-linked speakers allegedly responsible for violence against Kashmiris. Following the arrest of Sikh separatist Ashdallah in Canada, India has urged his extradition for trial, citing his criminal record in both countries. UPPSC aspirants protested for a fifth day, rejecting partial concessions on exam patterns and accusing UPPSC of dividing the movement. Anti-Narcotics Agency seized 700 kilograms of methamphetamine, arresting 8 Iranians in an operation praised by Home Minister Amit Shah as a coordinated effort against maritime drug trafficking. President Anurag Kumara Dissanayike's NPP won 62% of votes in snap elections, securing 123 seats, defeating establishment parties blamed for the economic crisis. Western Australia's parliament honoured Indian naval officers Dilna K and Rupa A for their global circumnavigation, showcasing women's empowerment in defence. Turkey's President Erdogan announced severing ties with Israel, condemning Gaza and Lebanon's actions as genocide and calling for a ceasefire and humanitarian aid. Colombian lawmakers approved a bill to ban child marriage, setting the minimum age at 18 pending President Petro's signature. 10 newborns lost their lives after a hospital in Uttar Pradesh caught fire. The fire, possibly due to a short circuit, broke out in a neonatal intensive care unit of the Maharani Lakshmibai Medical College in Jhansi. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.